Welcome to our channel. Today we how to build a family home with KB Home quick tutorial step by step clearly. Start by choosing your desired location for your family home. Research the communities offered by KB Home in your area. Visit the official KB Home website to explore available floor plans. Select a plan that suits your family's needs and lifestyle. Schedule an appointment with a KB Home sales counselor. Discuss your budget, preferences, and any specific requirements during the meeting. Tour model homes to gain insight into design options and upgrades. Review the home site availability in your chosen community. Finalize your floor plan selection and design choices with your sales counselor. Submit your purchase agreement to begin the building process. Make a deposit to secure your property and start the construction phase. Work closely with the KB Home team throughout the design process. Select your finishes, colors, and materials in the design studio. Receive regular updates on the progress of your home construction. Prepare for a pre-construction meeting with your project manager. Discuss timelines, site details, and any last-minute changes during this meeting. Attend scheduled walkthroughs throughout the building process. Review the final touches before your home is completed. Once construction is finished, conduct a final walkthrough of your new home. Address any concerns or adjustments needed with your project manager. Close on the home and complete necessary paperwork to finalize your purchase. Receive the keys to your new KB home and start making memories as a family. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.